Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Track and Field on mobile. First, download the free Roblox application from your device's app store. Once installed, either create a new account or log in with your existing credentials. Then, use the search bar within the app to locate Track and Field. Before diving in, ensure your mobile device meets the game's minimum system requirements for the best possible experience. This initial setup is quick and easy, getting you ready for the action in just a few moments. Mastering the controls is key to success. You'll find a virtual joystick on the left side of your screen for all movement, allowing you to run and navigate the track. On the right, tap the various action buttons to perform specific actions like jumping over hurdles or initiating a sprint. You can also adjust your camera view by simply swiping your finger across the screen. Take some time to practice these basic movements in a non-competitive area to build your muscle memory before entering any events. Roblox Track and Field offers a variety of exciting events, from quick 100-meter sprints to challenging long jumps and hurdles. Success often hinges on precise timing of your taps and swipes, so pay close attention to the on-screen prompts. As you progress, you can upgrade your character's core stats, such as speed and strength, to enhance your performance. Winning events will also earn you valuable in-game currency, which you can use to acquire new gear and unlock powerful abilities. To truly excel, consider customizing your character's appearance and equipment to stand out. Joining a team or club can also be highly beneficial, allowing you to compete alongside friends and earn exclusive bonus rewards. Always keep an eye out for game updates and new events, as these often introduce fresh challenges and content. Most importantly, consistent practice is your best friend. Regularly honing your reaction time and event-specific skills will pave your way to victory and help you dominate the leaderboards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.